Good morning, friends. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about tense. So, first of all, we will talk about the simple present tense. Okay. See, we have to talk its form and its use. Okay. So, before we continue the lesson, we have to read the following passages and try to see how the verbs are formed and used. Okay, suppose that Jam is a taxi driver. He drives a taxi, but on Sundays he does not drive his taxi. He stays at home. The verb be, drive, stay are in the simple present tense. Okay, James is a taxi driver. He drives a taxi. Okay, drive is the first form. Okay, and but on Sundays he does not drive his taxi. Okay, do and does it shows negative sentences. Okay, next the forms of the simple present. The affirmative form of the simple present, I, you, we, they. We have to use verb first form. He, she, it. We have to use verb first form plus s or es. Remember the verb in the third person singular, he, she, it, and name always take an s. For example, he plays, she sings, it walks. What? He plays, she sings, it walks. Okay, if we talk about examples, Nancy and James speak good German. Okay, Nancy works in a restaurant downtown. Okay, the children play in the garden every weekend. Okay, if we talk about the interrogative form of the simple present tense, okay, I, you, we, they, we have to use do. He, she, it, name. Okay, I mean singular, we have to use does. Okay, example, do you speak good German? Does Nancy work does Nancy work in a restaurant downtown? Okay, so these are the examples of interrogative sentences. Okay, the negative form of the present, I, you, we, they, do not or don't. Okay, I, you, we, they, do not or don't. He, she, it does not or doesn't. Okay, next examples. No, I do not speak German. No, she does not work in a restaurant downtown. Okay. So the use of simple present, the simple present is used to give your opinion. Okay, such as I like ice cream. I don't like spicy food. Okay. To talk about schedules, the library opens at 8. It does not open at 7. To talk about daily habits or routine actions, Sarah eats a cheese for breakfast every day. She does not eat cereal. Okay. Next, to give facts. The earth circles the sun. The moon does not circle the sun. Okay. So the simple present is used to give your opinion, to talk about schedules, to talk about daily habits, I mean routine actions, and to give facts. Okay. So the spelling of the third person singular form of the simple present, all the verbs take an as in the simple present. We conjugated in the third person singular, he, she, it form. Examples, I visit my parents every summer holiday, but my wife visits her parents every weekend. Okay, my brother meets his girlfriend every day. Right, next, he, she, it. There are however some special cases here, spelling rules. Okay, silent e, close, closes, note, notes. Okay, vowel plus y, play, is a vowel, a, e, I, o, u, plays. Okay, say, is a vowel, says. Okay, constant plus y, study. Okay, studies. Okay, d is constant. Marry, marries. Marry, marries. Okay, verb ending in o, go, goes, do, does. Verb ending in s, Jad, sh, tch, ch. Teach, teaches. Finish, finishes. Hatch, hatches. Buzz, buzzes. Miss, misses. Okay, example. She drives to work every morning. He says he plays football on the weekends. Okay. If we talk about exception, see the verb to have changes its forms as follows. I have two sisters and two brothers. Okay, but she has one sisters and two brothers. Okay, so I, you, they, we will use I have two sisters, they have two sisters. Okay, like that. And he, she, it, we have to use has. Things to remember about the simple present. In the interrogative form, we use do or does. Do you like the house? Does she go to school? Okay. Verbs never take an s in the negative and interrogative forms. Okay. Does he speak German? Do they play soccer? She does not like ice cream. Okay. Whenever we have to use do and does, okay, we will not use the form of s. Okay. Don't is the short form of do not. You can say either I do not speak Italian, or I don't speak Italian. I do not, or I don't. I do not, or I don't. Do not, or don't. Does not is the short form of does not. Okay, you can say either he does not listen to jazz music, or does he doesn't listen to just music. Okay, does not or doesn't. Do not or don't. Do not or don't. Does not or doesn't. Okay, next, the present continuous. So before starting present continuous, let's pay attention to present simple present tense once again. See, if we talk about the structure, subject plus verb first form plus object. What? Subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay. If we talk about subject in singular, he, she, it, third person singular. Okay. So we have to use as or es. Okay. If we talk about negative sentences, okay, subject plus do not or does not plus verb first form plus object. What? Subject plus do not or does not plus verb first form plus object. If we talk about interrogative sentence, okay, do और does को पहले निकालना है. Do plus subject plus verb first form plus object, like it. Does plus subject plus verb first form plus object. And here you can pay attention where we have to use s or es. Okay. Next, let's talk about the present continuous. John is in his car. He is on his way to work. So he is driving to work. This meaning he is driving now at the time of speaking. This is the present continuous. Okay. Such as the form of the present continuous tense. I am eating. You, we, they are. Okay. He, she, it is. Okay. If we talk about interrogative form of the present continuous, am I eating? Are you eating? Are we eating? Are they eating? Is he eating? Is she eating? Okay, like that. Okay, so I am, you, we, they are, he, she, it, or name is. In the negative sentence, I am not, you are not, we are not, they are not, he is not, she is not, it is not. Yes. If we talk about example, where is Mary? Okay, she is having a bath. Not she has a bath. Okay. What are you doing at the moment in front of your screen? Okay, don't you know? Well, you are reading this lesson, you are learning English. So the present continuous can also be used when an action has started but has not finished yet. I'm reading a book, it's a nice book. I'm reading a book, it's a nice book. Okay. Special verbs, they are verbs which are normally not used in the present continuous. Be, believe, belong, hate, hear, like, love, mean, prefer, remain, realize, see, seem, smell, think, understand, want, wish. These verbs are called stative verbs in contrast to action verbs, also referred to as dynamic verbs such as work, play, eat, etc. It is not correct to say he's wanting to buy a new car. Okay, we cannot say like that. He's wanting to buy a new car. Okay, we must say he wants to buy a new car. He wants to buy a new car. Okay. So friends, if we talk about present continuous tense, okay, uh, syntax: subject plus is mr plus verb first form ing plus object. Okay, if we talk about subject: I am, you we they are, he she it name is. Okay, if we talk about negative sentence, okay, subject plus is not or am not or are not plus verb first form ing plus object. ओके, इन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस इस एम आर को पहले निकालना पड़ेगा. ओके, इस एम आर प्लस वर्ब सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. So friends, this is all about simple present tense and present continuous tense. I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.